ETH is starting to look at least interesting. We've finally been able to take out the low here from December 2020. And so far we've seen at least a decent reaction. Nothing to write home about, but it is a start. We now need to see a convincing push back above this high, which was the highest point between the two lows. So this would be the market structure break, only 1 hour. But from there, I think since we're trading at such a high time frame level, we need to see at least another confirmation, and that would be a move back above 0.025 for me, right? So reclaim this level here and then consolidate and push up again. This would be a sort of a potential bottom for ETH BTC. So at least on the highest of time frames, we have seen we are trading at a very relevant level, a potential level to look for a reversal. Now on the ETH USDT pair, we are trading at a high time frame level. I mentioned this in my last video, right? So we see a reaction here, reaction here, reaction here, pushed above, never really retested it, and now we are retesting it for the first time, making this one here a range play, deviation above the high, deviation below the low. Hopefully, in Elliott wave terms, this would be then a flat correction. But in order to confirm a finished correction, we need to see low time frame impulses to form around this level. Looking at the H4, actually, let's go on the very low time frame, and you're going to see that we are currently struggling to trade above the daily open, right? The daily open candle was here, and whenever we got above, we instantly got rejected. Once this morning. And now, again, you see these huge wicks to the upside and the downside. There's a lot of volatility right now. It only makes sense since we are trading at such a pivoted level for the upcoming price action, for the price action that's going to dictate the next months and basically gives us a hint if the bull market is over or if we are now going to actually see a convincing pump on ETH. So first thing we need to see is a convincing break of the daily open, making this our daily candle then. All of this price action is going to be the wick of our daily candle to the downside. After reclaiming the daily open, we also have this red line, this red box being a bearish fair value gap. And this would be the first trigger for me to actually look for longs on ETH USDT. We need to, this is right now, this would be a textbook level to look for shorts. The problem for me is I don't really like to short into high time frame demand where we're currently trading at. So at the same time, I don't want to long as long as we are trading below this supply zone, this daily fair value gap. So what I want to see, I'm going to keep this on my chart, and I want to see a push above, hopefully even a daily close above this daily fair value gap. And then I'm going to extend this box and look for any convincing, any constructive, any productive price action once we retest this level in the upcoming days. If we actually manage to close above this red box, I'm then going to look at the structure that is going to be offered, and I am going to hope that this is going to play out in a 5-wave move up. Like this is already looking pretty unimpulsive. So right now, this is actually to me looking like we are forming sort of a upsloping channel here, and then we're going to break down and take out the low one more time. This might be a scalp short. I mentioned that I don't like to short into high time frame demand. At the same time, we are leaving equal lows here. So this is already a liquidity pocket that I could see us take later during the week. But at the same time, if we now push up from here, then this might be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. If I see something like this, then I might actually have to reevaluate the structure. Right now, I'm not seeing anything yet, so there's nothing to execute on, but I am seeing a lot of potential. Bitcoin dominance looked like it was breaking down this morning, but now this is not really convincing yet, especially after yesterday's big candle close. So there's no evidence that Bitcoin dominance is rolling over and altcoins are taking the spotlight in the coming days and weeks. USDT had a really nice reaction yesterday off of this daily supply zone, but we need to see follow through now. On the low time frame, we have not gotten any. A convincing break below this low on the USDT dominance chart would be the first indicator. As you can see, I have my alarm ready here. This will be the first indicator that we are actually in for a bounce on the crypto markets. Check out my links in my bio if you're interested in my Discord, in my mentorship, and also in my partner BingX. If you sign up with my ref link, there is still round about $50 bonuses waiting for you completely for free. Might want to check it out. Thank you guys for your attention, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.